So there's multiple reasons why moss grows on a roof, and definitely in the Pacific Northwest with all the moisture, it's a thriving environment for moss. The spores themselves will settle in roof debris, and then also if it's a shaded area without sunlight, that causes moss to grow as well. Moss causes damage to the roof in multiple ways. It roots in the granules, so it basically uproots the granules from the fiberglass mat itself. And if you let it go on too long and then you try to remove that moss, it's going to take those granules with it. So it's really good to keep up on your maintenance. The moss will act like essentially like a sponge, and it will hold water. So if in fact there is other areas where water can get in, or underneath the shingles, or maybe the installation wasn't done properly, it is possible that you could have a leak form. It can almost build up and form somewhat of like a dam situation where it can cause water to run in a different direction. And so you need to be really careful about the level of moss you allow to grow on a roof, because it can result in water damage. So it's really important for all homeowners to read their manufacturer's guarantee on their roofing system, because almost every manufacturer will require you to keep your roof free of moss and debris for the warranty to be valid. And here at Guardian, we definitely recommend that you use a professional roofing contractor, first and foremost because of safety and also quality of work. We offer a free inspection because the cost can vary depending on the size of your home, the level of moss debris, or there's so many factors. So we offer a free inspection so that we can really provide an accurate estimate. The best way to keep moss from growing on your roof is to have a professional clean your roof and maintain it every year, and also do frequent inspections. At Guardian, we pride ourselves on being the original make your roof last company. We know that if you take care of your roof and maintain it each year, that it will last longer. It's simple facts. So that's why at Guardian we offer routine annual maintenance through our Guardian Roof Protection Plan, and we strongly suggest each year you have a roofing professional inspect your roof just to make sure it's in good condition.